Michael Shikha Niketan Higher Secondary Government Sponsored Co-ed English Medium School has taken an excellent initiative of teaching and make our students learn day-to-day lessons through audio and video in our YouTube channel. Teachers of all the subjects are working hard to enhance these online classes in the midst of this pandemic situation. It is a request to all the teachers, students and guardians to click the bell icon and subscribe our channel.
Good morning students of class 7. Now I will teach you about the chapter factorization. Okay. This problem sums will be solved with the help of the formula a square minus b square. What is the formula? A square minus b square equal to a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Okay. With the help of this formula, we have to solve these problems. Okay. Now let us take the first sum. Chapter 19.2, chapter 19 and exercise 19.2, question number 1, sub number 11. Okay. Here the first sum is ax square minus ay square. First time we take common from the two ax square minus ay square. Okay. So this will be x plus y into x minus y. This is the complete answer. Okay. Now let us take the second question. Second question be a square minus second question be x square minus b square plus 2bc minus c square. Here look at the sums that a whole square minus this minus b square plus 2bc minus c square does not belong to the formula a minus b whole square. So we must take use bracket. B square minus 2bc plus c square. This is the formula of a minus b whole square. Okay. So this portion be the difference of the two squares, a square minus b square. This form is a square minus b square. Let us take this is a and this is b. So look at this. It is a square minus b square. This is the form. So the formula be a plus b and a minus b. This is the factor. So if you here a plus, look at the sum that in front of the bracket here is plus sign. So in the bracket b minus c remains same in sign. Okay. And here this is minus sign. So when you open the bracket, this sign will be changed and will be plus sign. This is the answer. Clear? Now the next sum. Question number 1, sum number here x square minus y square plus 4x minus 4y. Here this is x square minus y square. So, we must write that x plus y into x minus y and take common here x minus y. Here we see that x minus y and here x minus y. So, if we take common from the two portion, so x minus y and remaining part x plus y plus 4. This is the answer. Clear? Now, the next sum. A square minus 1 plus 2b minus b square. Here we see that this portion may be a square form, but here if we take common 1, so inside the bracket this sign will be changed, okay, and this will form a formula of a minus b whole square, okay. So, a square minus 1 minus b whole square, and this belongs the formula of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So, here a plus b into a minus b. Now, to get the simple formation, open the bracket, this will a minus, look at this, here in front of the bracket there lies the minus sign. So, when you open it must be plus sign. So, this is the final stage and this is the answer. You must have to write that a minus b plus 1 or a plus b minus 1, okay. This will be the answer. We arrange this in this way that a and b together and plus 1 and a plus b minus 1. Clear? Now, the next sum. Question number 2, sub number 2. P to the power 4 minus 13 p square q square plus 4q square. This sum does not belong the any formula. So, here I am writing wrong, it is q to the power 4. So, if we write this way and here must have to put the portion 2ab, 2ab. So, here it is writing that minus 4 p square q square. To get minus 13 p square q square, we must have to write 9 p square q square. To get the balance, that means minus 4 p square q square and minus 9 p square q square make minus 13 p square q square, clear? And this is the formula of a minus b whole square, and this portion may be write 3pq whole square, and this portion is A and this portion is B. So, it belongs a formula A square minus B square, A plus B and A minus B. Now, we arrange these here. This is the complete answer, but if you try to break this, here coefficient of p square 1 and coefficient of q square be minus 2. So, 1 into 2 makes 1, sorry 1 into 2 means 2, and 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This is the rule of the middle term break factorization. Okay. So, we must try to break this 3pq with the help of 2q square and p square. So, 1 plus 2 pq minus 2q square. Here p square minus 1 plus 2 pq minus 2q square. We observe that pq plus 2pq minus 2q square, p square minus pq minus pq minus 2q square. So, if you try to common p, this portion and this portion are different. So, this portion does not belong to this middle term formula. Okay. So, neglect this portion, and here, sorry, I am writing wrong, it is pq. If you try to get common p minus q minus, sorry, pq minus 2pq, 2q, p plus q. Here p minus q and it is p plus q. This is not same. So, the answer is will be this step. We left this step. Okay. This is the final answer. Understand? Now, here p to the power 4 be right, p square whole square minus 4 p square q square plus 2 q square. To balance 13, we write 4 p square q square and we take minus 9 p square q square, minus 9 p square q square and minus 4 q square p square q square makes 13 p square q square. But this is belongs to the formula of a minus b whole square, and it is simple to say that minus 3 p square q square. So, it will be form of a square minus b square. Now, p square minus 2q square plus 3pq and p square minus 2q square minus 3pq. This is the answer. Here, this step be arranged, it not necessary. This is the answer. Okay. Now, I will teach you the next sum. Next sum is x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. To make this sum, we take 2x square plus 1, but here this is x square. Now, to balance x square, we must subtract x square, and this portion belongs to x square into 1 plus 1 square minus x square. So, it will be a form of a plus b whole square. So, this is a square minus b square, x square plus 1 plus x and x square plus 1 minus x. Answer. To arrange clearly, we must write x square minus x plus 1. Clear? This is the complete sum. Now, the next sum, x to the power 8 plus x to the power 4 y to the power 4 plus y to the power 8. X to the power 8 plus 2x to the power 4 y to the power 4 y to the power 8. To balance, to get balance, we subtract this. So, this is the a square plus 2ab plus minus x square y square whole square. So, x square plus x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 whole square minus x square y square whole square. So, this is the form of a square minus b square, x to the power 4 y to the power 4 minus x square y square, x to the power 4 plus y to the power plus x square y square is okay. Now, we see that this is the form of if we try to make the form of a plus b whole square and then a square minus b square, we must arrange it x to the power 4 plus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4 minus x square y square. And let us try to make this form x to the power 4 minus 2x square y square plus y to the power 4. To make the sum, the original sum, we must have to balance this plus x square y square. Okay. Here we see that and also this is the plus x square y square. Okay. Now, this will be x square plus y square minus plus xy and x square plus y square minus xy. If you try to, then the formation of a square minus b square, we see that here this is the very, very important step, plus sign. So, it will not be in form of a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. This step is very, very important step. Okay. So, the step is to be wrap that this step remains same. Here the step will be x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus x square y square. Clear? The step will be x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus x square y square. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus x square y square. This is the complete answer. Okay. Now, if you try to break this portion will be break x square plus 2 root no sorry, this is the complete. Here this 3 steps is the final step. Now, try to break this. To make balance, x square plus 2xy plus y square minus xy. Is it clear? So, it will form of a plus b whole square minus xy. xy be root x y whole square. But why? In the chapter of index, root xy be xy whole to the power half. Okay. Root xy whole square be xy whole to the power half into 2. So, it will be xy. So, this is the form of a square minus b square. So, it is root xy and x plus y minus root xy. But in this class 7, this step is not necessary. Okay, you must have to run this sum, and this sum is very, very important. The next video I will teach you another chapter. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like and comment. Subscribe. And do share the video among your friends.